Yeah.
Oh my god!
Vanessa's gift and a curse. She can remember every fucking thing from that entire show. I don't understand how. I really don't. It's amazing. I think it's wonderful, but it's also a curse.
But it's also terrible.
And Krista's curse is the anger that wells up. I've never seen you look so pissed.
It's crazy how it really hurt me.
Let me just say this. This is how she answered.
You know what? This is awful. Don't do it.
Lavender Grace.
Yes.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Put it with the fucking hood! Put it!
September 2001. Terra!
Really?
Behind her, George Bush burning baby.
Really?
And then she sang this awful song, and I guess during the period when she went to New York, as this loose storyline goes, September 11th occurred. She sings this awful song. Okay, so there's her in the hoodie with George Bush behind her, projected on the screen, and then these three people gathered around like looks like a barrel fire, like homeless people, and her marching around the stage like with jazz hands, yelling, "It's crucial that I understand." Crucial. Crucial what? It's crucial, and there's scenes of 9/11. She never makes a point. It's awful. It's awful.
But you remember every moment.
I know.
It's like a car crash where you just remember every second.
It was. I was like, what the fuck is happening?
And then suddenly, belly dancing.
And then
The best part was after we were done, we're all waiting outside for MIT, and we're like, what the fuck just happened, right? And some guy comes out of the bushes.
Out of nowhere, out of the dark.
And he's like, I'm really interested to hear it. He was in the show. He's like, oh, I'd love to hear your critiques and blah. So later he says, like, we came into a room and he was there. He's like, oh, the critics have arrived.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because we were like, were you really on?
Because you weren't unconditional in your love.
I couldn't talk about it at that point. I didn't want
We went to the cast party.
Oh, it's not
It was
that
just
one
like,
yet.
it was just like, we weren't talking
Hiding in
shit.
the bushes.
It was just
Cast
like,
party.
someone explained to me what that box was about.
Yeah.
Someone explained to me what this was. I don't understand why there was so much belly dancing. It was just like, I want to process what has been
I want to process. And we were, okay, so there was like a chorus line of ladies of all ages that would sing. And most of them were just lip syncing. None of them were like, they were like two women who were singing, the rest of them just like.
Yeah.
And this one woman who I know was not singing, and who may have been a man, when we were at the cast party, she was like, "Let's take it on the road.
Yeah.
We're gonna take this to Fort Bragg and Santa Rosa and Tokyo. You didn't do anything."
Would you?
It sold out
On the road to Fort Bragg.
Really?
Or it sold out the closing.
Oh, you should have told him you got to take it to New York. You got to go to New York.
It was awful.
That's right, Fort Bragg, Nintendo.
It was
That is quite a drive.
Okay, I'm serious.
How did it end?
Jeez. I mean,
Did it?
In
Like-
love and faith we shall remain. In love and faith we shall remain. Everybody. In love and faith we shall remain. In love and faith we shall remain. In love and faith we shall remain.
Seriously, like, that time
people had shots from the audience. They were like,
that's how long it went on.
it went on a long time.
Forever.
You shall remain
Forever.
What does it even mean? That's how the show ended. It was awful.
Yeah.
Awful. And we were in the front row, and they were so excited about getting him to get up. Basically,
And I feel like everyone was looking at us like, are you gonna get up?
And I was like,
Why are you
I didn't want to get the stink eye. That's why I had that.
Did you get up? Did you get up and clap?
No, I was like,
That's the one. That's a crazy smile.
Listen, Fate Breakers 2009, we are going to have the narrator with us. We are going to have a reprise of Enthusiasmos. We're going to do it up better than Lavender Grace could have.
Oh, we got to sing the song. We got to sing the.
We will have a
you
narrator.
have your fun. This dinner conversation ends now. Pick another topic. I swear to you.
We will have a
Is it Mike?
Pick another topic.
We can talk about like violence in in the Middle East. We can talk about anything. Krista would never get that pissed.
I'm really
It's a great name for a boy child.
Enthusiasmos.
Enthusiasmos, yeah.
Yes, yes.
That's good.
I think we need to
We're gonna help him build his
It
recipe.
could be,
learn our songs.
it could be your boy child.
And you're going to perform it as
Enthusiasmos Burns.
Beta Breakers.
Totally.
That's
We're
nice.
starting belly dancing. Come on.
Yeah, that's right.
Yes.
It's a
That is
perfect
right.
name for your first child, man. Enthusiasmos.
Enthusiasmos Burns.
Yeah.
Enthusiasmos Lavender Ferns.
We haven't even.
Enthusiasmos, lavender ferns.
Lavender Ferns.
Is that what you're naming your first child?
Boy or a girl?
Yeah, it doesn't
It
matter.
goes either way.
It doesn't matter.
It goes either way.
Call it.
It doesn't matter.
Lavender ferns.
Your baby can name Christopher. I'll be like, hey, Enthusiasmos! Happy birthday!
That's what it was. Their whole family is now called Enthusiasm. And their first is Lavender.
Lavender.
The second will be Grace.
Grace. The third one is crucial.
I like sea shanty.
That's your house. Your house, you should get like a sign that says
I know Kevin's like.
That was exactly what she did. Most of the songs she shouted.
Where was the drum? Like under
I
her
want to sing the
skirt?
song
It's a
again.
box.
Yeah,
It's
she's box.
like a drum box.
Yeah,
That she sings on.
It's a Cuban instrument, yeah, it's cool.
I've seen those. Those are
Yeah.
legitimate.
And I'll say her like drum that she did this to
Yeah.
was like a lady
played it
in
well.
like a silver and
But it
moon
was just
colored
weird because
dress, like
you
on
didn't
the
know what it
wave,
was. She
with like a
just
hat, like a
beat
crescent
her
moon and a
box all
wolf.
the time. And it wasn't necessary. That's
Seriously, what?
I just want to sing the song
See
again.
if she didn't beat on the box.
Yes,
Like,
it was a
just her singing,
fantastic
that'd probably be
evening.
worse.
In love and faith we shall remain.
That's how we're ending Big Breakers.
Yes.
Yes.
Enthusiasmos tomorrow.
That would be perfect with some flying leaps and like
Yeah.
dance pirouettes.
Yes.
Yeah. Krista's spirit is crushed.
She produced
Okay, we'll stop talking about it.
The anger that it, like,
Are we actually gonna